Facebook groups are still one of the most underrated opportunities. There's a Facebook group about everything, right? There's Facebook groups about how to get your babies to sleep. There's Facebook groups about how to grow your business. There's Facebook groups about Facebook advertising, creative and funnels, etc. If you can think of a topic, there's probably a Facebook group on that topic. So what should brands be thinking? Brands should be thinking that organic reach on Facebook has dwindled. It is no longer easy to grow a Facebook page to hundreds of thousands of people, but you can reach thousands of people inside of Facebook groups where audiences want to spend time, where they want to connect with people. And how can you as an organization become a part of that dialogue, become of that conversation? There's two ways. You can either acquire these groups, you can actually reach out and buy them and own them and allow them to still maintain the community element but be sponsored by your brand. Or you actually hire a community manager and you get that community manager to not only monitor and contribute to these communities, but to actually become a bit of an ambassador and evangelist for your business within them as well.